Hi guys, we are going on a trip to where? Steep Rocks. So just like other stories, we do have people who I went on this trip with. So let me introduce you to...
My name is Abhi.
My name is Russell.
My name is Pankaj.
My name is Aki.
I'm Garbhad.
My name is Eddie bro.
Eli.
और of course आपके चहेते Hello human beings, this is Elisha. So बाकी trips की तरह this trip was also random and nobody was able to decide that where we have to go. तो सबसे पहले तो हमें गैस भरवानी पड़ी गाड़ी के अंदर निकलने के लिए. रात को प्लान बना था, सुबह में निकलना था और नींद भी पूरी नहीं हुई थी, तो मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना अपना कैमरा उठा लिया जाए और वीडियो बना ली जाए. नज़ारे बहुत खूबसूरत थे. It was so beautiful going from one place to another after such a long time. So one of us, he was able to decide that we can go to Steep Rock. Steep Rock is 250 kilometers from where we live, and it's a small community in central Manitoba on the eastern shore of Lake Manitoba. जब हम वहाँ पहुँचे तो वहाँ पहुँच के पता चलता है कि वहाँ तो सब कुछ बंद है, लेकिन वहाँ के जो रहने वाले लोग थे, they gave us the opportunity to basically go to the beach side and just have a little bit of fun there by doing barbecue. We are here right now. We gotta leave the gates from this side, then we gotta follow this road and all the way up till here. This is the parking lot. We're gonna park our car on this spot and then we have to go by foot inside the park. इधर दिखाने ये island की बात कर रहे हैं bro. We are going on island. No, seriously bro. See here. I'm not joking. See here. This is the island. So we gotta go by foot from here, and then we gotta go all the way inside here. This is the cliff. We're gonna do some cliff jumping, and then if you wanna go on the island, you have to.
Are you doing a cliff jumping today?
Bro, we're gonna definitely do it. So if she said that there is a guy, Alex or Jake or something, he's gonna meet us here, and then maybe if we wanna go on an island trip or something, we can actually just hire a boat and we can actually go to the island.
Bro, we can go from here, I believe.
We are here right now.
Yeah. So we gotta go here.
Yeah,
and
we gotta leave the gate.
We can cross from here if you see.
What the
You
fuck?
can cross
Why you don't when your GPS doesn't work? Old school shit, bro. Steep Rock.
पहले का गाना लगा दियो old school. ओ मित्र आदि भाई बबलिए नहीं old school. ओ मित्र आदि भाई बबलिए नहीं old school.
एक और चीज भी रिकॉर्ड कर ले, रुक जा. Recording on? We are waiting for the other group who is coming. They can't actually drive fast. Your boy, you know. I drive 150.
Call 911.
Bro, why are you calling 911? This is off the record, bro. Not gonna put that shit into my vlog.
Why not?
I don't know.
Why not?
I don't know.
Because maybe somebody's gonna just
Snitch on you.
Yeah, you.
Like
He's
you
the big
did.
snitch.
Like you did.
देख रहा है वो सामने आइलैंड है.
किधर?
वो रहा सामने आइलैंड. हम इधर
पूरा आइलैंड है, वो
मैं
आइलैंड
तेरे को
है.
अंदर लेके जा रहा हूँ, मुझे दिखा यार, ये देख. तेरे को बताता हूँ फिर कहाँ पे जाना है. ये रोड पकड़नी है ब्रो, ये रोड.
पीछे हमारी गाड़ियाँ आ गई हैं वैसे बाइक.
हमें माइलस्टोन ड्राइव पे घूमना है.
वो रहा सामने आइलैंड, वो रहा सामने नजर आ रहा है.
पार जा सकता है आइलैंड तक स्विमिंग करके.
Alright guys, so I'm making barbecue right now. This is light. And what I am doing is making barbecue. आपका भाई कुक बना हुआ है. See this. This is danger. So tired after playing football. Haven't played that game in a while. So beautiful. Let me show you guys something. See this. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like it, comment it, and of course share it. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, peace out.